I mean, I think that's what the courts are there for, is to kind of be that leveler of government overreach or injustice. I guess my concern is the OLT is this unwieldy sledgehammer when sometimes a scalpel is needed
Sure.
to get those fine details, and it becomes an all or nothing proposition in some cases. And I would thought, like, what's the point of having an official plan if at any point you can go to this extrajudicial body and they can basically say, yeah, it doesn't matter what the official plan is. You want 10 more stories? We'll let you do eight or whatever have you.